Hi, my name is Yogya Bhatia and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today I'll be talking about maintenance of wife under Hindu and Muslim law. The main reason behind the concept of maintenance is to see that if one of the spouse is not independent financially, so that the other spouse helps him or her in order to make the living of another person possible. In case of divorce or in the case where both the partners are not living together, the spouse who is financially dependent on the other spouse can seek the remedy of maintenance, so that she or he can maintain their life as when they live together. Generally, maintenance is the amount which the husband pays to his wife after divorce or the amount which the family member of the husband pays to the widow of their son. Maintenance includes basic necessities like food, shelter, clothing, etc. The necessary things and comfort which a rational man expected to get. Meaning and concept of maintenance. The maintenance is given by the person on whom the other person depends on. The amount of maintenance is dependent on the earning of the person and the necessities which other person requires and the necessities which a rational man needs to live a normal life. According to the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, the person who is entitled to get maintenance as wife, widow, daughter, in law, child, aged parents, etc. And according to Muslim law, the person who is entitled to get maintenance are wife, young children, parents, another person within the prohibited degrees. Types of maintenance: interim maintenance and permanent maintenance. Interim maintenance. This maintenance is paid from the date of filing of the petition to the date of dismissal of the suit. Its main purpose is to meet the immediate needs of the petitioner. It is the amount which is paid by the person who is financially independent and upon whom the other person is financially dependent. This amount includes the expenses of the proceedings as well as other expenses during the course of the proceeding. Permanent maintenance. It is the amount which is being paid by one party to another after the judicial proceeding. That is, result is the dissolution of marriage or judicial separation. Maintenance under Hindu law. In case of divorce or in the case where both the partners are not living together, the spouse who is financially dependent on the other spouse can seek the remedy of maintenance, so that she or he can maintain their life as when they live together. The maintenance is given by the person on whom the other person depends on. The amount to the maintenance is dependent on the earning of the person and the necessities which other person requires and the necessities which a rational man needs to live a normal life. Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act talks about the maintenance, that how a wife or husband can claim interim maintenance. Only under the Hindu Marriage Act and Parsi Marriage Act, both husband and wife can claim for the interim maintenance. In other statutes, only the wife can claim the interim maintenance. Under Section 36 of the Divorce Act, the wife may file the petition for interim maintenance. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with the concept of permanent maintenance as the amount which a person has to pay to another person as maintenance in gross sum or periodically or monthly as per the orders of the court. Maintenance of wife under Section 18 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. As per Section 18, Subclause 1 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, 1956, the wife is entitled to get the maintenance amount from her husband until she dies or he dies. The Hindu wife is also entitled to take maintenance even if she lives separately from her husband under the following grounds: when the husband is liable for desertion, when the husband is liable for cruelty, when the husband is suffering from leprosy, when the husband is liable for bigamy, the husband converts to religion without the consent of the wife. Maintenance under Muslim law. As per theories of Muslim law, they consider the man to be superior to the woman. They truly believe that women is not all capable to maintain themselves as they are directly dependent on their husbands. In Muslim law, the relation of husband and wife is considered as the most important one. That relation exists only if the wife is faithful and obeys her orders. In Muslim laws, the married woman has the right to get maintenance from her husband even if she refuses to access to her husband and cannot be consummated. But if she is too young and lives with her mother and father, she is not entitled to get maintenance. Muslim law provides the right to wife to get maintenance if she lives separately due to the cruel nature of her husband and non-payment of dowry, but she cannot claim maintenance during the widowhood or iddat. Prior, the divorced women do not have the right to claim maintenance after the period of iddat and gets the amount of meher only. But the judgment given in the Shah Banu case enables divorced women to get maintenance from her husband on reasonable grounds and from the family of the husband after his death. Thank you.